Welcome to the channel. With reference to our discussions on 52 plus painting defects, counter causes and countermeasures, our today's subject of discussion is paint defect lifting. The discussion includes definition of lifting, photograph and explanation, causes of lifting, preventions of lifting, repair method, and introduction to next topic. इसकी definition lifting की क्या है? Lifting is a paint effect in which the existing coating film softens, swells, wrinkles, or shrivels when a new layer of paint is applied or during its drying process. This occurs due to chemical reaction or a solvent attack from the fresh coating, which disrupts the underlying film's adhesion and film integrity. Hope it is clear. Here is the illustration of paint lifting defect and, of course, photograph too. Its explanation in simple terms is this existing paint film shrivels, wrinkles, or swells during new finish application or drying. अब आते हैं पेंट डिफेक्ट लिफ्टिंग के वजूहात की तरफ। इसकी वजूहात कुछ इस तरह हैं। Solvents in a newly applied product attack the previous finish, causing wrinkling, raising, or puckering of the paint film due to number 1, re-coating enamels or urethanes that are not fully cured or fully baked. अच्छा, इसकी दूसरी वजह क्या हो सकती है? Exceeding maximum flash or recoat times during application. यानी excessive जो फ्लैश टाइम रिकमेंडेड है उससे ज़्यादा का फ्लैश टाइम हमने ले लिया, या recoat times during application वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, तो उससे इस किस्म का डिफेक्ट, लिफ्टिंग का डिफेक्ट पैदा हो सकता है। तीसरी आम वजह recoating, base coat or clear coat finish, where existing clear coat has sufficient film built, obviously. Now we come to its preventions. Check questionable finishes by rubbing a small area with a shop towel saturated with lacquer thinner. Finishes susceptible to lifting will soften, swell, or shrivels as lacquer thinner is applied. If any of these reactions occur, the following recommendations should be considered. Number 8. Do not exceed product maximum recoat time during or after application. That's very important. Then second is allow enamels or urethanes to thoroughly cure before recoating or attempting a repair. Number 3 क्या है? Avoid applying undercoats or top coats excessively wet. Coming to 24, avoid the use of lacquer products over an air-dried enamel finish. Number 5. When insoluble materials, that is enamel and urethane, has been applied over a soluble material, that is lager, then A. Avoid sanding through and exposing areas of the soluble material. B. Apply two-component primer surfacer and/or sealer as a barrier between the new and the old finish. C. When applying two-component undercoats over soluble finishes, the complete panel must be recoated. The complete panel must be coated. अब आते हैं रिपेयर मेथड की तरफ. In this is very simple. Remove the lifted areas and refinish. With this, we come to the we conclude this discussion on the subject of the paint effect lifting. Our next topic would be paint effect number 25, and that is very important, and that is loss of gloss. Please do subscribe, like, and share this channel to receive the similar contents in future too. Thank you, and thank you very much.